Hello and namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of this February month, let's see guidance with respect to your materialistic life, that is your desires, your goals, your dreams, your wishes, everything. Let's see what comes up. So here's our first card. Oh my god, and the very first card is the Devil card. And yes, this is a very important message that guys, whatever are your dreams, your desires, your goals, your wishes, please do not get very much stuck and obsessed with it. And I don't know why I was feeling that this card may come when I will be doing guidance with respect to your materialistic life, because a lot of people, they don't understand and they are so very much stuck and so very much into their materialistic desires. So this is the very first card that says that please do not get very much so obsessed with anything that is materialistic, okay, because that will give you nothing in life, guys. Because lot of time people cross their limits just to gain something, to achieve something. So you need to have that control. This is what I would say. So please take care of yourself, that you do not do anything over, okay. It shouldn't harm anybody or even yourself. Please keep it in mind. The next card is the Judgment. So you are getting some sort of inner calling, maybe with respect to this card. Maybe you're doing something in a very lot thing, like overly. So this inner calling is trying to tell you something, guys. So please acknowledge it, do not ignore it. This is what I would say. Or this can be that you're getting some ideas that how you can proceed with respect to your dreams, your desires, your wishes. So do acknowledge it, and only then there will be a judgment that will be happening there up in the universe. Three back to back major arcana cards. This is the third card, that is the Moon card. And I feel, guys, a lot of you are stuck in some sort of fear or something. What fear are you having? That you won't be winning, or you will be back if you are being compared with someone or a lot of people, or with respect to society. Why, like, people, why, guys? I don't understand why you need to fear, because each and every person is unique, each and everyone is unique. So you need to understand that you cannot compare yourself with others, okay. You cannot compete yourself with others. If people are around you are doing that, please ignore it. Please do not compare. You should understand that you are unique. You're no less than anybody. You have some other qualities. Please always keep this thing in mind and stop fearing something. This is what I would say. Or maybe this fear is from your something past thing, or something that you experienced, something, a failure or something, and now you are being, no, that I have to move ahead, no, I have to win and all. And that is why this Judgment card has came for you, which clearly says, guys, that please acknowledge what your inner calling is trying to tell you. Do not ignore it, guys. Please do not ignore it. And with this card, I would also like to say that this phase of you can be a karmic phase also. So make a note of it. And you are just, going with the flow, you know. So please take care of it. Ten of Swords. See, what will it give, whatever you're doing currently? Nothing, guys. You are just stuck in your mind so much that you're not understanding what to do, what not to do. So please take care of it, that you are in balance with respect to yourself. This is what I would say. Because whatever it is, whatever you're trying so hard, it seems it will be ending, or it has came about to end. So please be very careful about it, that for now you are doing everything, no, I have to do this, I have to do that. You're just running behind those desires, that materialistic things, but it will give you nothing, just painful endings. So please take care of it, that you do not do it overly. Each and everything, guys, we cannot control. Everything is not in our hands. So please surrender some things to the Almighty, to the Divine, to whichever deity, God, whomsoever you trust in. You pray, Okay, you have faith in. This is what has been said with this card, that please surrender it to the divine, let them work according to themselves, let universe work according to itself. Please do not try to control something that is not in your hand, I would say. So please, this is again a major arcana card. So whatever you're going through with respect to your materialistic life, it was about to happen, it was destined to happen, because major arcana cards usually say that only. So make death, rebirth. So guys, when you will surrender few things, when you will try to understand few things, only then there will be some changes happening, there will be some transitions happening. And when you will accept few things, you won't be getting over obsessed, over possessive, you know, and you won't be there in that devil energy. When only then there will be some changes happening. Again, this is a major arcana card, it is really a wonder. But yes, only then there will be changes happening in your life. And see, the changes that I can see here, they are not something bad. So please do not lose hopes. And whatever is happening currently, if you're struggling a lot and whatever it is, so it is happening for your own good. Why? That means you should learn, not that you should break down or you should turn into negative energy or so. No, nothing like that. See this, guys, the changes that will come, the death card that came after that, what will happen? Something emotionally satisfying is about to come. So why are you literally dragging yourself into something which is not made for you, which is just in your life to teach you something? Or maybe you are paying up your karmic debts with respect to this situation, what currently you're going through. So something is waiting for you that will be giving you an emotional satisfaction. So please do not lose hopes. This is what I would say. See, again a very positive card, that whatever this emotionally satisfying thing is about to come, it will give you joy, celebration, maybe some sort of union, or maybe you may come into some partnership or anything. Now this can be, but yes, it will give you a very good time. This is what I clearly see with this Three of Cups. Eight of Wands. Yes, this very particular thing is coming in a very speedy way. Maybe some sort of communication which you were waiting for from someone, or some response, reply, whatever it can be, some interview calling or something. It is coming in a very speedy way. But for that, you need to learn some things. You need to, take out your control, or that on something that you are being very much obsessed with. This is what I would say. Again, a very good card, Six of Wands. This will give you some sort of victory, success, or maybe a public recognition also. So why not, guys? This is something, such a beautiful thing coming in your life. Then why are you compromising yourself for now? Because you never know ahead what's written. So please see such a positive card once again, which will literally make you this King of Pentacles, who is financially secured, who is very much mature, who is practical. Obviously, only when you will learn something from your current situation, only then you will be coming into this energy. This is what I see. This won't be happening overnight, or this won't be happening something miraculously. Some things you need to learn in life, only then I see you coming into this energy. Or maybe you need to come in this energy. This is what I feel like. You need to work on yourself for that you need to plan things, and then you need to execute, implement it practically. Your whatever your plans are, whatever your desires are, wishes are, there needs to be a practical planning for that. Okay, you cannot just sit on dreaming and just wondering and just getting obsessed and all. So be practical. Only then you will be coming into this energy. And you can see this man, looks so matured enough, and it clearly sees like this person has done a lot, taken a lot of efforts over the years, and now he's in such a position. And the wolf, this more than a dog, this looks like a wolf, which to me it shows that he's very much smart enough. You know how wolves are, right? He's very much smart enough to know how to act where what action to be taken. So even you can do this, guys. High priestess, listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice, guys. It is trying to tell you something. And let me tell you one thing, your inner voice, your intuition is never wrong. It always guides you in a correct way. You are understanding something, but you're not acknowledging it. You are somewhere trying to ignore it because maybe this is not something you want to hear. Maybe that's why this is the thing, but no. Other message that I'm getting with this card is something is hidden from you, something is still a secret from you, guys. So be careful, all the best. Now this can be anything you know better resonating with your life. Hence I guess you need not it, the message is coming for you. Please do not get obsessed with something because some things you aren't sure of. Five of Pentacles. See, guys, why are you isolating yourself? You feel that there is no way to come out of your current situation or so everything. This is what you feel. But can you see the room? There is a key and there is a lock. You can come out of it. But why aren't you understanding that? You yourself have trapped yourself in that devil energy and you're not understanding anything what to do, what not to do. But there is a way to come out of it. Please see that. Please see. Queen of Cups. So with this card, I won't particularly, gender specify this, but still, maybe some men who are listening to this video, you are in that feminine energy a lot, maybe too emotional, too caring, and everything. And other girls and ladies out there, you need to work on yourself. Please balance your emotions. Balance your emotions. Listen to your intuition. Stay grounded. Stay passionate, compassionate, especially, and please work on your emotions. Another message here I'm getting, drink lots of water. If you're not drinking, maybe with some of them water element is missing, so please drink lot of water. This is what I would say, because it will literally help you in digesting, in accepting the emotions or whatever you're going through. Water is the fastest way of manifestation, so you can use water therapy, water manifestation for manifesting your desires, your wishes. This is what I would say. With respect to some things, you need to be very firm. The first message that I'm getting, yes, you need to be firm with respect to some things, but also another message that I'm seeing is you're not, trying to see the other side of this situation, or some sort of situation that's being opening up to you, or that universe is telling you. You are being too adamant with your own thing. Yeah, this very message clearly and prominently I'm able to see that something is trying, like, something is there in front of you, but no, you don't want to see it. Please, I would say with this card, please do not ignore it. Please, it may help you. This is what I see. See, guys, you are ignoring something to see, but see what's next. The Tower. This clearly says, guys, if your foundation, your base is not firm, or something that you're avoiding to see, this is universe way to show you that truth. And yes, that can be done very much painful for you. So before that, you better learn your lesson. I'm not taking this card in a very negative way or something. No card is negative for me in tarot. Each and every card teaches us something. Even the Tower card, even after Tower movement, a lot of them have a very good life. They come across something very good. So this Tower for me is something that you need to learn, but you're not learning. You're ignoring a lot. This is what I see. You're being too adamant on something, and that is why you may face this Tower movement. So beware. Be very careful. Put your guards down, guys. You need to put your guards down. If you're being too much egoistic, very much prideful and everything, you need to put your guards down. This will give you nothing. Okay. Another message for some of them, what I'm getting with this card is that take the charge of your life. Do not let others take decisions of your life. This is what I would say. These two things I'm getting very clearly. Okay, that if you're being too egoistic, if you're being too you proudful and everything. If you are having that sort of attitude, please put your guards down. And people who are there are some whom I am sensing that they're not understanding what to do, what not to do, and hence people around you, they are taking decisions behalf of your life. No, please don't do that. You need to be emperor of your life. Please remember that. You need to be emperor, and some of them I am seeing you're coming in this energy because you have taken a lot of efforts till now. So good luck, all the best. I see a new beginning for some of them, and this won't be just okay, fine. You just saw and you just ignored it, nothing as such like that, but you will be taking action with respect to this. This is what I see, and yes, this will give you some sort of manifestation type. Like if you were using law of attraction or something, I clearly see that this will you know your dreams will, your wishes will start manifesting. This is what I would say with this card. People think stuffs memories that are not serving you anymore in a very good way, in a very positive way. Please distance themselves, distance yourself from them. This is what I would say. Yes, at times we cannot distance some situations and some people, but you can set your boundaries and priorities, right? That how much to react and not. So do acknowledge it, because it will give you only painful life and nothing else. You seem to be confused about something. You're not understanding what to do, what not to do. But let me tell you one thing, if you're coming across a lot of options, let me tell you one thing, not everything that you are seeing is something diamond or gold. Is not like that. From inside it is something else. So be very careful. I would say if you're exploring any sort of option with anything, I would say, guys, that stay detached. Do not put your emotions into it. Just stay detached and see and explore what it is exactly. Only then you will come across the right decision. Yes, there is some sort of changes coming in your life. You need to embrace spirituality. This is also what I feel with this card, that will really help you to find out solutions in your life, that will help you to balance your life overall and not be too materialistic. This is what I see. Very positive change coming in your life. So do not lose hopes, guys. Let me check any other message. Okay. So trust yourself, guys. Trust what your heart is saying, and just keep that faith in yourself and give a new start. Whatever has happened in with you with respect in your past or whatever, please forget it. Make a new start. Trust yourself. Have that faith. Listen to your heart. Do not ignore it. This is what I would say. Yeah. Also, yeah, for some of them, be careful that someone is not making you fool. Please be very careful, because you can see what's there ahead. So be very careful with whom you trust and how you react to people. Set your boundaries and priorities. Whatever efforts you have taken, whatever efforts you are taking, it shouldn't go waste, right? So set your boundaries and priorities with respect to some areas of life. This is what I would say over here. Like, make sure that you are not doing something over. This is what I would say. You need to have that control, that boundaries and priorities. Okay. So this was the guidance with respect to your materialistic life. We'll meet when for your career life ahead. Till then, thank you.